Ayambemba abwebateri boba na kibeni ane mpasiko ane kumputu mambu mabalu kiri jampu kitabu kiri amunderita sukiri yeah. Kuntukiri kumakui kuikwenda mambu masakiri kumputu kyampu kitabu kiribaya ya bisukiri
ya memba mambo ngame ya memba Yesu bisukiri mama poka
Beno bale kibimpanga bisakiri kumputu minderi baba tukiri kulondi kyampu kibui baya ya bisukiri
ya memba mambo ngame ya memba Yesu bisukiri mama poka
Abayai, marimwangazi, uike yanga batase, wanguri pindi, tamangwana, uiko ganga kabawaku, uike yanga pimpa kabo bana, uiko ganga pimpa kabo bana, tukiri kumakuiri, uikwenda mambu masakiri, kumputu kyampu kitabuki, baya, ya bisukiri,
ya memba mambo ngame ya memba Yesu bisukiri mama poka
Abale yeah. Amenu Madagascar yeah. Julio Rack from Madagascar, s'il vous plaît. Oh yeah. Maria, Maringwakati, wike yanga bakasera, makuri bindi, tabangwana, wiko ganga kabawaku. Yambemba, yambemba. Kundukiri kumakuiri, kuikwenda mambu masakiri, kumbutu kyampu kitabuki, bayai, lukwa lungandi.
Yambemba mambo ngame ya memba Yesu bisukiri mama poka Maria memba lukale Maria memba lukale Maria memba lukale
Unale
Maria memba lukale
Makelekele
Maria memba lukale
Kuna boku
Maria memba lukale
Kuna boku
Maria memba lukale
Mama kuna ntonamba
Maria memba lukale
Ukisantu kuna levu
Maria memba lukale
Au nangiringa
Maria memba lukale
Kuna boku yaya
Maria memba lukale
Maria mbemba lutale
Maria memba lukale
Kuna ngiringa
Maria memba lukale
Kuna boku
Maria memba lukale Mariam Bemba Lutale. Mariam Bemba Lutale.
Valérie,
Mariam Bemba Lutale.
pour vous, mesdames, mesdemoiselles.
Mariam Bemba Lutale.
Isabelle Gonzalez.
Mariam Bemba Lutale.
Parce qu'on est en Europe, hein, c'est la femme d'abord.
Mariam Bemba Lutale.
Kuna beaucoup.
Mariam Bemba
Mama, mama, kuna ntona bata.
Mariam Bemba Lutale.
Ukisantu kuna lemfu.
Mariam Bemba Lutale.
Kuna ngiringa.
Mariam Bemba Lutale.
Kukipa kuyaya.
Mariam Bemba Lutale.
Selembao, kitoki musi.
Mariam Bemba Lutale. Mariam Bemba Lutale.
Moussa, Burkina Faso.
Mariam Bemba Lutale. Mariam Bemba Lutale.
Colin Laroche, France. Quel mélange. Et le chef du groupe qui aime faire beaucoup de bruit, les abracadabra. Émile Biayenda from Congo Brazza. Et nous sommes du même clan. Il est mon Congo, moi aussi je suis mon Congo. La langue que nous chantons, c'est le Kikongo, qui va du Gabon, Congo Brazza, Congo Kinshasa et l'Angola. Cela ne veut pas dire que nous sommes régionalistes. C'est la culture. Et voilà le Mangwana Band international. Yeah. Kuna beaucoup. Mama, kuna ntona mbaka. Ukisantu kuna lefu.
Mariam Bemba Lutale. 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 Mariam Bemba Lutale.
Monumuntu leke mutandile, Mari tandile. Bewanda kufongo yaye munukwani batabinge, munukwani batabinge. Ah, de mon amour, maman. Monumuntu leke mutandile, leke mutandile. Bewanda kufongo yaye munukwani batabinge, munukwani batabinge. Atata angwangazi. Monumuntu leke mutandile, Mari tandile. Bewanda kufongo yaye munukwani batabinge, munukwani batabinge. Mama, ata, kitione, belomba lusani suyaye mwe, ketida no batela moe, kala engamwe. Kitione, belomba lusani suyaye mwe, ketida no batela moe, kala engamwe. Bani tata, gani mama, gani ngwangasi, gani ankentu. Belomba lusani batela moe yokanda kala yengambo kinchone pelo mbelo sani soya yamwe ketina no batela moe yokanda kala yengambo yokanda kala yengambo kinchone pelo mbelo sani soya yamwe ketina no batela moe yokanda kala yengambo yokanda kala yengambo kinzonzi kibambuta kala yemakutwe kala yengangwe kubagogama usiama ukola yokatama ngumanuninye banani basala moe banani basala moe banani basala
Kiambote.
Kiambote.
The strangers here. Tatale. Where are you? Where are you sitting now? Where are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
You all right? Are you back home?
Yeah, I'm back.
Oh, good. Oh, nice to see you. How was your... Okay, anyway.
It was good.
We'll chat later.
Okay.
Oh, back home, yes. You did tell Tata David where you went. Tata David went to... Let me share my file. I'm struggling to share my file. Give 1 minute. Let me just greet the audience. You went back home. To Tondele. Hello, if you are watching, this is Kikongo class. We are learning Kikongo. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, Congo Kinshasa, and Congo Brazzaville. To Tondele. Thank you very much. Don't move. I'm trying to share my file. Okay, it's there. Yeah. Just recap quickly, then we go back to normal lessons. This is very important. You are learning a good Kikongo. Remember our motto, Tatane, remember our motto?
Yeah. Is it, slowly.
Yeah. Little but mustard, yes.
Yeah.
But you can't have everything. Tutondele. Quick one. Double negative, yeah, remember Kikongo?
Yeah.
Kiko, always Kiko, like in French. Je ne pas. Well, as soon as you say ne, we are expecting pas at the end in French at least. Kiko. Your verb in the middle. Kizoleleko, I don't want. Mono. In this course, Tatamakonde course, we're using many tonic mono. The mono, eto. From the third singular, we're going back to our suffixes, yes? You just inserting your prefix because eto, eno, yeah, could be beto, beno, bao. Yeah, clear? Is it clear? Tell David.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Tondele. This English. In French, you say moi, yes, toi, yes. Tondele. Yeah, here we have insistence, yes. Kizoleleko, I don't want. Can you insert the insistence? Kizoleleko. Kizoleleko, I don't want. But I want to underline Kizoleleko. Your insistence after the verb, please.
Kizolele, is it Kwamiko?
Well done, yes. He doesn't want Kazolele Kwandiko. Oh, sorry. Oh, I was about to ask David the question. I've answered my question.
Kwandiko is, I thought you said that. Okay, yeah, I got it. It's Kwandiko.
Yeah,
No, you're right. No. Tata, you are right. I want to ask Tata David, the third person. Tata David, he doesn't want at all.
Okay.
Kazolele, ka, yeah, negative.
Yeah,
now
yeah.
we use the ka. Kazolele.
Kazolele Kwandiko.
Oh, bravo. Yes. I'm happy. Yeah, we're not doing something. Yeah. These are the. Where's the. Yeah. On Y, this column, we have Y. Y for present continuous. Kumbanza Kongo Ikwenda. I'm going to Mbanza Congo. Kumbanza Congo is Zinganga. Basically, your ta is your ing, yeah? Continuous, yes? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. Tata Davis.
So
Yes, your pronoun.
yeah, for the first person.
No, I'm saying that our pronouns, I don't know how to put it, but it changes according to the tense. Let's say, this one is a standard. Let's call it standard. Yes.
Okay.
And I'm saying in Gikongo, I, U, A, Tu, Lu, Babe. Yes. But keep this in mind. When you is the standard one for present continuous, you add ita, you add that, yes, ita. For present tense, no change. All this here. Yeah, but let me just try to, yes, to move this. Can you hear me? Is it? Oh, it's not in.
Yes, I can hear you.
Kiambote
everyone.
Oh, the welcome. Where's our sister?
She'll be here in a second. She's setting up now.
Okay.
Just looking for the paper that I need.
Well done. So how's the weather there where you are?
Oh, it's hot. It's hot. It's very uncomfortable.
It's burning.
Right? Yeah.
Oh no.
We have here we have firestorms, so I don't know when that's gonna kick in. but
Oh,
here in California.
oh, be safe, be safe. Yes, we're going back to just quick recap on double negative. Let me just go. Let's just check my. Where is my slide? Sister's here, I think. Yes. Oh, okay, she's here.
Gambote.
Cambodia sister.
Cambote sister. Marvin P. Okay, we're going back to. I'm just doing a quick recap on double negative. Yeah, remember Kiko? Yes, Kikongo.
Right.
Kiko. Dia to eat. Kidiako. Yes, Kidiako. Yeah, I'm not eating. Kidiako. To drink, totally. I'm not drinking.
Kinuako.
Well done, yes. So basically, when it comes to negative, you don't touch on your verb. Just keep it as it is. I mean, the infinitive. Just keep it as it is. Ki ko, ki far left, ko far right. Yes. I'm not going. That Nengwa Candace, can you try please? To go is kwenda. I'm not going kwenda. Just go ki on your left, then go
Ki Kwenda?
ki, yes. Ki. Bravo,
Is it
Kikwendako, yes. Kikwendako.
Ki Kwendako.
Yes. Yes, Kikwendako, yes. Yeah, that I've already I did just you are travel, you are on the mall, you with a brother, you just want to send a secret message. Are you coming? The answer in the Congo, yeah. So what's happened? So Dad, yes. I told you. You didn't hear that.
Yeah, you're breaking up a little, but
Yeah, we can't hear you
I'm
clearly.
breaking. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, is it better now?
yeah, I can hear you now.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I was saying, is it clear?
Oh, well, now you're breaking up again.
Better now? Again. Oh, I'm sorry.
No problem. It kind of comes and goes.
Yeah,
with
true.
Oh, my computer is lazy. Okay. Okay. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Let's see if we can get better. Okay. Yes, we're going back. We're going back to double negative. Yes, Kidiako, Kudiako. Then we this insistence. Yes, Kikwenda kwameko. Kwenda kwameko. Yes. Kikwenda ko. It's okay. I'm not going. If you want to underline insistence, you use your kwame. Yeah? Kwaku. Kikwenda kwameko.
Ki Kwenda
I'm not going
Kwameko.
at all. Yeah, I'm not going at all. Yes. Questions on this one? Tata audit. Nengo Kanis.
No questions.
No question.
Go ahead, brother. Okay. Yes. Tata Devi. Question? No?
No.
You fine. Okay. Two-tone delay. I'm just Tata Len, yes, you should be okay.
Yes.
Tata, yeah. Well, thank you. Let's try to share another one, another slide. Where is it? Oh, somehow my computer is, I don't know why that's happening. Give 1 minute, I need to share this one. No. You know, when you prepare your stuff, you're ready to go. Then, as soon as you click go, and you have, as soon as I click go, then computer starts misbehaving. Okay, give 1 minute. I'm sorry. Yes, we did last time. We did that's what this were the verbs. Indeed. Oh, Tatane, you were not here. Indeed. To eat. Indeed. Tatane, did you follow us? But
Yes, I didn't. I saw the file. Let me see.
oh yeah.
Let me see if I downloaded it.
Yes, this one. Let's see if you can see my point. Can you see my point? Yes, is the
Yes.
Tutondele. Okay. Ndidi. Basically, the first person, first singular is your name. Better is
Yes.
your nasal. Of course, we don't use a personal pronoun, at least for singular. But from on plural, we use a magic formula. Remember, were you there? Were you here? We give a magic formula. That I remember for plural.
Yeah.
For the personal pronoun. Tuluba, yes.
Tuluba.
Two for yes. We, two, we, you, plural. Lu, ba, or be for plural.
Yeah.
Plural, yes. Where am I? Yes. We're here, okay. Yeah, this one is they're easy. Yes. This page is easy, but the second one we have. Let me just try to show you. Let's give you. Let's show where is it? Let's say Mona. Mona to see is the infinitive, but when you go to first singular, that remember there's no connection. There's no Mona and Buene. That remember.
Right.
Can you see Mona from Mona, the infinitive, the verb, to the first Buene. See, there's no connection. Visibly, you can't see. So we got this one, the easiest one. When I say dia, di, second, from the second and third, you drop your N, your nasal.
So it's just DD and DD for second and third person.
Yes. Yeah, first DD, DD, DD. So plural, we're going to use our first personal pronoun. Am I clear, Tata Audrey? Sister? Tata Audrey. Am I breaking? Tata Audrey, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. Tata Audrey, you're there? Oh, you can't hear me. Okay.
No, yeah, now we can't hear
Are you
you.
muted? Can you guys hear me?
I'm not.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
I
You
can
can
hear you.
loud and clear.
Yeah, we can. Yes.
No.
Okay. Tata, can you try Dia?
Andre
Yes.
said he's going to
Oh,
sign
before-
out and sign back in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, go ahead, yes. Tata,
Yeah.
first, remember, you use your pronoun from here. Tu for we, lu for you, many, ba. Go ahead, Tata. First. Let me check it.
So is it got is
First
it
singular.
Monon DD or just
Okay, good. I like your mistake because I want to show something. You don't use the on singular. You don't use your pronoun?
Oh, only on plural. Okay, so it's just Ndidi.
Right. Ndidi.
Okay, Ndidi.
Didi.
Yes. Hence, you have to make sure you got your nasal, because from your nasal we know if you're saying you singular or he. If I say Ndidi, it
Okay,
is
Ndidi.
first singular. Is it clear? Tatale?
Yes. Yeah. Ndidi.
Yeah.
Didi.
Mm-hmm. Carry on, Tatale.
Okay, so it's Ndidi. Second singular is Didi.
Yes.
Third singular is Didi.
Yes.
First plural is Dudidi. Second plural is Ludidi. Third plural is Badidi.
Yes.
So
Yeah,
if
well
I
done.
have eaten, he or she has eaten. Is that what we're saying?
Yeah, well done. Well, yeah. Well, I'm just saying that on singular, the main thing here is your nasal, because on second and third you drop your nasal. Didi,
Didi.
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 I mean, you are brave. It's not easy because Kikongo is tonal language. The way you give the meaning. The way
Can you hear me now?
Can you say
Yes.
Yeah, we can.
I don't know when, like, say when you get to two, Lu, and Ba, I don't know if it's like, it's two we with two DD, is that we, or is that you, we, they, or how's that? That's the one I don't really.
Yeah. Yes, correct. Yes. Tatale, can you help, please? Teach us.
For the plural or
No, sorry, brother is asking a question. Can you say that again, Tatale? Your question, please.
When you ask, like, okay, Ndidi, Didi, I don't know if that's okay, I am, or, and then when you get to the two, Lu and Ba, I don't know what category that fits in as far as we, you, they, or I don't know. When you say two, I don't know what two mean.
That's we.
Okay, I'm gonna write that down. Okay,
Yeah.
we.
Yeah,
and
Lu is the
you many.
You many.
Okay. We.
Let me try to remember. Let me see if I can do it. Okay, it's there anyway.
I'm here. I'm just
That's what can you see? Bottom left on your screen, can you see? Two is we, Lu is you many, Ba could be be, ba. Let's keep ba, you, they.
Okay, so two is you.
So,
Nope, two is we. Two is we. Lu is you many, you bunch of folk, and Ba is they. Ba or they.
Thank you, Tata.
Thank you.
Are you okay, Tata? Is it clear?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Sister Kande, question. Are you okay, sister?
Yeah, I'm good.
Thank you. Okay. Tata, sorry. Oh, you're on the spotlight today. I'm going to pick on you again. Go back again from the first to the last, please. Tata, Dia. Ndidi, yes?
Yes, Ndidi. Didi. Didi.
Yes.
To Didi.
Yes.
Ludidi. Badidi.
Can you say it again? Badidi. Long vowel.
Badidi.
If you say, listen to my pronunciation. If you say by did you mean you are adamant.
Oh, okay. That's
So
a different
David, you
meaning.
hear that? So be careful. Tutondele. Sister, can you try please? Kosoka to sit, yes. Kosokele,
Okay.
Kosokele, yes, please.
Kosokele. Kosokele. Kosokele.
Mhm.
Tu kosokele. Lu kosokele. Ba kosokele.
Wow, bravo, yeah, it is in the blood, yeah, bravo. Tata David, Sala. Remember, this is short, how do you say, short Sala to
Okay.
work. We have another
Okay.
Sala, a long vowel to stay.
See here.
Sala, Tsadidi. The key
Yeah.
here is your, very, very important. We're not using, remember on singular, we don't have a first pronoun. Your nasal,
Yep.
drop or keep it. You decide which pronoun
Okay.
you use in Tata David.
Okay. So it would be Sadidi, Sadidi, Tu Sadidi, Lu Sadidi, Basadidi.
Well done, Basadidi. Tutondele.
Basadidi.
Tata. Yeah, Basadidi. Tata, please. Seva, to laugh. Seva. Ntevele, Ntevele.
Seba to laugh.
Can you say that again,
Sebele.
please? Tata, what means
I
this?
started off with
Because you will not. Sorry?
Huh? Can you hear me?
Yeah, can you go back? I'm just saying that because you're not using pronoun on singular, make sure you mean it. First, it's nasal. Ntevele.
Okay,
Can you say that again, please?
Sebele.
Well
Sebele.
done.
Sebele.
Mhm.
Tu sebele. Lu sebele. Ba sebele. Or am I supposed to say ba
Well done, bro.
sebele?
No, you're right. No, well done. Well. Spot on, yeah, well done, yeah. That time, Nengwa Candice, can you try? Oh, this is hard. I'm going to help you. Tungamen, I mean, the infinitive is
Oh, Nsungamene.
Sungamena. Well done.
Nsungamena. Is that right?
Yeah, you first, you from second, make sure you drop your nasal. Tungamene. From second singular, Sungamene. No nasal, please.
Okay. Nsungamene. Sungamene. Sungamene. Tu
Yes.
sungamene. Lu sungamene. Ba sungamene.
Yeah, bravo. You're doing well, yeah. Not easy, you know. I mean, to the native, people take for granted, you know. Yeah. Yes, I was teaching because we have class as well, man. That's for French speaking. I was trying to explain something. When I say ya vova, vova is the verb. Certainly remember vova.
Yeah, Vova, yeah, to speak.
Yeah, bravo. Listen carefully. Listen. If I say ya vova, I did say ya vova. Can I say? Let me say ya vova. Can I say no? So let me repeat. It's confusing. Ya vova past. I did say ya vova. I'm going to say. It's hard to translate. Ya vova. Can I speak? So confusing. That
Oh, okay. So
the ball
it's
is
either
your-
a statement or a question.
depending on your yes. So the ball is in your court. You decide your pronunciation. Yes.
But if you're in the
Okay.
in the culture, they would know because of the circumstance that you would say it in.
Right. The context is everything.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. This is the key. Yeah, you got it. Yeah. The context. Oh, Villa Cana, huh? To forget. Tata David, please. Villa Kene.
Yep. Villa Kene. Then it would turn to two Villa Kene, or Kana. Tu Villa Kana, Lu Villa Kana, Baz Villa Kana.
Villa Kene. Two-tone daily. Questions. This is the full list. This is very hard. Let's say Sompa, Tompele, Sopele. Can you just check this line? The Sompa.
Yes.
Is it line 9? I think.
Yeah.
Tompele, first singular. Sopele. Then you bring back your nasal on the first plural. To Sompele. See? Don't worry, you don't need to memorize that. Let us move to our normal talk, yes? Any questions on this one? Let us go back to our normal talk. Question,
No question.
No. Kyuvu. Question means Kyuvu. Kanginaye Kyuvu ko. I try to make it for you. Let me just share another file. Where is it? It's not appearing. My computer is not good today. Give me 1 minute, sorry. Yeah, Tuluba. Tata, I think I'm sure you are okay now. The plural, yes? Two for we, Lu, for you many, and Ba could be Be, but Ba for they.
Yes.
Yeah, yes. Okay, Tata David. No, Tata D. I'm not coming. Tata D, please. I'm not coming. Remember, as soon as it's negative, you see that it's negative. Your first syllable is your ki.
Okay, I'm looking for the
negative Kiko, yeah.
Is
I'm not coming.
Key Key Quizako?
Yeah, well done. Yeah, you done it. Yeah, you got it. Well done, bravo. You should be proud of yourself, no?
I'm trying to hang around you a little bit.
Yeah. No, well done. Yeah. Now, how about you again? Okay. Kikwizako, I'm not coming, but now you mean it. Remember, emphatic after a verb.
Oh man. You talking about
remember
with
the your
okay,
prefix KW, yes.
Is it key
Quiza, yes.
Key Quiza Lindaco?
KW
Kwamiko, I mean.
Quiza
Kwamiko.
Yes.
Yeah, Quiza Kwamiko. I'm not coming at all. Yes. You're brave. I keep saying you're brave because I mean it, you know. But the thing is, if you go to formal stuff, people they speak Kikongo. I mean, let's say people speak, but not necessarily correct. Yes, totally. You've been there. You went to the origin, yeah.
Oh, I didn't make it all the way there.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
I didn't get a chance to, unfortunately. But
oh, sorry. Okay. Nzolevo Alongoka. Tata, you are talking to Tata David. Tata David, you're negative, yeah. Tata, first line, please.
Nzolevo Walongoka.
Okay.
Walongoka, yes. Tata David.
Ve kizolele longo kako.
Kizole longo kako. Yes. Can you say that again, Tata? Ve
Longo.
kizole longo kako.
Okay. Ve kizolele longo gako.
Yeah, kizole longo kako. Yes. Yes.
I have a
Tata,
question.
David, and go ahead, sister.
So the first word, is it, do you not pronounce the D in Zolele or what?
It knows all. Don't worry about the D is there because the way Papa Zoma Konde wrote it is, I can't even pronounce how he would say it. He would pronounce it. See, because the
You would
heavy
just have that
accent,
Z
it
sound,
will sound
right? Zo.
people that have heavy accent would have in between N and Z something sounding like D. Don't worry about that. Just take it as N. We go to Nzolele, standard name, yes.
Zolele. Okay.
Nzolele. Don't worry about N. Just say Nzolele, yes.
Nzolele
Nzolele.
for
Nzolele
Walongoka.
Nzolele Walongoka, yes. Nzolele Walongoka, yes. Tata Adri,
Uh-huh.
Los Angeles Derby. We go Tata Adri and sister. Tata Adri, you go for, we want to swap later. The second line, my sister, first line, please.
Nzolele for Walongoka.
Ve
Thank you.
ki zolele longokako.
Well done, yeah. Kizole Longoko. Now you are going to insert that audio. Insert your emphatic. Remember, emphatic always after the verb here. Yes. Same question, sister. Please.
Nzolele for Walongoka.
Thank you. That's audio.
Oh, emphatic one. Ve ki zolele.
Ve.
Ve
Longoka. Yeah.
longoka. Oh man.
Head up you with Ame.
Okay, Kwameko.
Ame. Yeah. I knew it. I know. You know it. Yeah, I knew it. You know that. Yes. Yeah. He's no longer Kwameko. Same question. You go for the first line.
I'll go for the first line.
Yeah, first line, but this time, remember, this time, remember, car is third singular, yes? We're dropping wa.
Yeah. And going with the ka.
Zolovo kalunguka, him, her, yes. We're dropping
okay.
This, we're dropping this.
Okay, in Zolele vo ka longa ka. Wait, ka longo ka.
Yeah.
Is it me next?
Yes.
Ve.
Yes, sister. Remember, we are using. No, we were talking about
it's
her
ka.
or she. Yeah. Well done.
Ve. Is it ve? Kazolele.
Longo yeah, bro. Yeah, Longo yes. Now you using your emphatic after the verb, yes, please. Same question, Tata, please.
Okay.
In Zolole vo ka longa ka go la long go ka.
Ve Kazolele Longoka Kwameko. Is that right?
Yeah, yes, emphatic, but you're using the first singular, third singular here because we're talking about he, she. Kwame is me, yes.
Oh, right. Ve Kazolele Longoka Quizako.
Remember your Ame Andy, yes.
Is it Kiami? Is it, wait.
Kwandiko.
Yeah, Kiandi.
Kazole longa Kwandiko. Kwandiko, yeah.
Kwandi.
Kwandiko.
Okay.
Yes.
Ve Kazolele
Now hold on.
Langoka Kwandiko.
Kwandiko. Give me just a moment. I'm sure it's here.
I don't understand.
Yes. Sorry?
I don't understand. Because why am I saying that if I'm saying I don't want to go?
You're being
Oh, because we're not doing I anymore. Okay, because we switched it. I get it.
Right.
Okay, I understand.
Yes. Nzolele vo kalongoka him, her. Ve kazolele Kwandiko. Remember, we have ame, aku, andi, eno, yes? For emphatic, you just add your KW, then you give ame, either, depends.
Right, I get it now.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, let us move just the. Remember, for plural, we adding ka, tu for negative, ka2, kalu, kaba. That Ale, can you try? I want them to learn. We're dropping again. We change all change.
Nzolele vo.
We're dropping.
Yeah, Nzolele vo. Balongo.
Yeah, Balongoka. Well done. Yes, the Balongoka. Bravo. Yes. That David can help. Ve.
Mm-hmm.
Remember ka.
Ve Zolele Balongako.
Tata, can you try the sorry, Tata, let me just go back to Tata Allen, please.
What, the response or the question?
Second line, ve.
Ve.
The answer, yeah.
Okay,
the answer,
ve.
yeah. For plural, them, yes.
Okay. Ve bazolele longako.
Longako. Yeah, okay.
Yes, something good, but so long, yeah, but something important missing, very, very important. Who knows? Who can help? Because the negative. Sorry.
Key.
No, it's yeah.
Well done, Tata. But this guy we use ka.
No, it's Kaba.
Yeah, yes. Yes. Tutondele. Tata David. You may
repeat that again. You broke up.
Yeah, you did.
So Tata David, you many. I want you to learn. You many.
Okay. Yeah.
Many.
So I would say Bazolele Lu Langoka.
You first learn. You go from the Zolele you change it.
Lu Longoka.
Second plural. Well done, the Volu Longoka. Yes, the Volu Long. Okay, yes. Okay, Tata Allen. We are not going to learn. We don't want to learn. Tata Allen.
Ve. Katu.
Yes, ka. Yes, ka.
Longo kako.
Zolele. Yes, then emphatic Tata Allen. Ve, katu.
Ve. Katu zolele longo ka Cueto.
Yes. Can you see on your screen on the bottom line the red one?
Yeah.
You go to your Kwame, Kwaku. I mean, everything is there. Any questions? Well done.
So it's Katu. It's Katu Zolele, not Tu Zolele.
Yeah, that's what I thought. That it was supposed to be Tu Zolele.
No, if you say Tu Zolele, it is affirmative because you're going ve.
Oh, right.
Oh, you want negative? Okay.
Remember,
that's why Katu. Okay.
negative always key is first, but for the plural, kakaka, katuzoleleko, kaluzoleleko, kabazoleleko. Negative. For
So what
plural.
was this one? Was it supposed to be we or they?
If you we don't want to learn. Ve,
Okay, so it's katu. Katu zolele.
Yumeni, longo kako, yes.
Kalu zolele. Okay.
Longo kako, yes. Just remember, for negative, plural negative. Remember, kizoleleko, kuzoleleko, kazoleleko, from first, third singular to the end is katuzoleleko, kaluzoleleko, kabazoleleko. But are we okay with two luba? We, you, they,
Yes.
them.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Bravo, yes. Negative, just insert, add, your prefix ka, then either two luba, depends on your sentence. To turn the questions. Oh, well done. No, are we okay?
No questions.
Good. You done it, sister. Well done, yeah. Good, yeah. We keep saying our motto is small, little, but mustard, yes? Just one sentence, but I'm sure if you went there, you went on the mainland, you go to Congo area, speaking Kikongo, talking, you will be speaking proper Kikongo, yes.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much. Brenda Kiambote, good week to all.
Yeah. Sala Kiambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Sala
Okay,
Kiambote.
good. Thank you.
Ekietu yangani kawauko iwao bongole meso mwene isibuli matu umwidi ikonzo dyenu yeno luvova ngabo kongo dyafwa yeno luvova ngabo kongo dyafwa bizatala kwenwe eyala kulu bizatala kwenwe ekulumi mikansi kongo dyatungwa Vangabo Congo Jafwa, Kenolo Vangabo Congo Jafwa, Bizatala Kwenwe, Eyala Kulu, Bizatala Kwenwe, Ekulumbi Mikansi Congo Jatumba.
Pipa narra uma história que tá gravando na minha memória. África foi sempre linda, o nosso berço da humanidade. Havia muito renado, havia muita felicidade. Vivíamos dentro da lei, Palu do reino do Congo, Linha Lukeni era o rei. Habitava em Banda Congo, em companhia do outro rei. Pode chamar de Endodila, se esquecendo uma máquina vida. Nos chama de Yalangu, carrego o Culumbimbi, essa imagem me identifica. Banda Congo, a minha terra, a minha mãe, o meu coração. Olha que nos fala mal, peço liberta da maldição. Origem de todos para Congo, como diz o velho ditado, do malogrado de talento. Eu irei devoltar, mas a questão é de esperar. Eu sou filho do Quimba, falo do Mwanza até Ebe.